be walking you through a software you can use to clean your emails. I'm pretty sure most of you today probably have emails as far back as when you created probably 2001. I don't think Gmail is available then. At least probably since when you discovered Gmail exists, created a Gmail account, and you've been receiving emails, and they are all there, bulking up. And all you need is you can't just go ahead and start pinking it one after the other to clean it up. There's a software that could help you categorize the emails and clean them up based on priority, to track it, check everything around your emails and clean it up for you, and then arrange it for you for future purposes. There's a software that you can use that can do that for you, and I'm sure most of us fall into these categories. Most of us need this particular software. And the cool thing about this software is I'm sure you might have seen others that exist, but then they would require you to pay a monthly fee to manage your email, you know. But with this particular software, you get a free trial to use the software, and then you would also, by the time you love it and you want to upgrade it, with just one time payment, you'll be able to upgrade the software. One time payment, you will upgrade the software and use the software. So this is the cool thing I will be helping you with in this video. So as usual, I'm here to share opportunities in software for you, explore different software with you, software that can benefit you, that can improve your life, that can make your life easy, just like this particular software that I'll be sharing with you any minute from now. So if you are someone that would love to hear more of this kind of value that I'll be sharing with you, please go ahead, like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. Please do that now. Subscribe. Once you are subscribed, then I'll be going into the software. And the first thing to get the software is there's a link in the description. It's my affiliate link, partnering with these particular software owners to promote their software, to try it out, and get one-time payment subscription of this particular software. So I'd recommend you use that link in the description, just in exchange for the value I'm providing to you. This information I'm sharing with you, please use my link in the description to get the software, to access the software. And as usual, I'll tell you the software as well. So the software is called Clean Mailer. So I'm picking it from here. Clean Mailer. So I'll just go ahead and Google it. I'll go ahead and Google it. So we'll just use it together. Clean Mailer. You can see it here. Clean Mailer. Not this one. So let me just use my affiliate link as usual to access it directly. So I'll be getting my link here. It's not that one that Google is giving us. I'll just copy it here and then just paste it here so I can access it. Clean Mailer. You can see it here. Clean Mailer. So it unclutters your Google, and then you can also try it for free using my link in the description of this video. So I'll go ahead and try it out. So I'll try for free by clicking on it. So we can sign up and try and clean my emails. First thing it asks is for your email. I input my email, connect my mailbox, and then continue. Then I also sign in with the same email account. So as usual, please use my link in the description to access the software. It's very, very important, very essential. This will give you the ability to get the one-time payment instead of paying monthly subscription. By the time you are done with your free trial, this will give you access to the free trial. I give it access to clean my emails, and then I swipe down, read, give it the access as well, then continue. You can see it has started helping me clean my emails, and then it will ask me what I want to clean and all of that. So this is gonna take a bit of time since it's loading up. So once again, use a link in the description to access the software. It's very simple. You can see the UI interface, very simple, very straightforward. And then you can just try the free trial as well. But then if it's something you want to use long term, I'd recommend you try out the software. Alright, should be done anytime now. Another stuff that I feel it does here, it gives you cleaning suggestions, and then it unsubscribes from noisy news, fun and interesting stuff to keep receiving. It helps you unsubscribe to platform you don't need. Then it helps you arrange your emails as well. It helps you screen your emails as well. It also helps with the sender settings by blocking a sender, all of that for you. It helps you to clean all this as well. It helps you with cleanup reminders as well. Mm, yeah, basically helps you manage your email. That email manager you don't have to pay, or at least pay one time to get access to it. So I think I'll just pause the video because it's getting longer. I think it's pretty basic and pretty straightforward. The platform is pretty easy to use. So I'll just pause here, and I would expect you guys to go ahead and try it out. Use my link description to access the video, and as usual, I'll see you in the next one sharing the cool softwares, other cool software that I discovered online. They can try out and explore, and basically make your life easy. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification so you can get access to the next video that I'll be sharing. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.